We'll guide you through how to use the split screen feature in Visual Studio Code to boost your productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. If you have a file open already, great. Otherwise, go ahead and open a file you'd like to work on. Now, to set up split screen, look at the top right corner of your Open File tab. You'll see an icon that looks like two rectangles side by side. Click on this icon, and your editor will split into two columns. Each column can display a different file, which is super handy. To open another file in the second column, you can simply click and drag the file from the Explorer sidebar into the second column. Alternatively, you can right-click on a file in the Explorer and select Open to the side. This will automatically place the file in the adjacent column. You can also split a single file into multiple views if you want to see different parts of the same file at once. Just right-click on the File tab and select Split Right or Split Down, depending on how you want to arrange your views. Once you have your split view set up, each section works independently, so you can scroll and edit without affecting the other side. If you want to close one of the splits, just click the Close icon on the File tab in that section. This feature is fantastic for comparing code, referencing one file while working on another, or keeping documentation open while coding. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.